Hey guys, I just wanted to send out a message to you and let you know how much I miss being there with you guys. I know how hard you're working. I'm seeing a lot of great stuff come through, and I know that I'm overwhelming you with tons of information. I'm just trying to stay ahead of things. So anyway, I just wanted to send you a message and say keep on working hard. Your students are going to be so appreciative of all the things you're sending, and I'm excited for them to see the things that you have ready for them. One of the things that we talked about at the principal meeting was that it would be so great if we could send out little messages to our kids, video messages. Maybe if you could send one each morning just to say, hey, good morning, and just give them a pep talk. We don't know if everybody's going to get on and listen, but it sure would be great if they could see your face every day. It only takes a few minutes. You could send it out through Dojo, and we're all getting a little better at recording ourselves. I know I don't like doing it very much myself, and I tend to start over many, many times. But this one is unedited, and I'm just going to send it to you the way it is. I love you. Please reach out if you need me. Thanks. Bye.